15 baking soda tricks every woman and man should know. We like to look at baking soda as a true natural miracle that can help you achieve the things you have desired in terms of nourishing and maintaining the good looks and hygiene of both our bodies and houses in an entirely safe manner. The majority of individuals already have baking soda lying around somewhere in the kitchen, since it is commonly used for raising dough and baking goods. Here are 15 baking soda tricks both men and women should know. 1. Treats acid reflux and heartburn. Soothe heartburn and acid reflux by drinking a glass of water mixed with a bit of baking soda. 2. Whitens the teeth. To get those pearly whites, use baking soda to brush them every day. 3. Soothes sunburns. Mix water with some baking soda and spread it topically to get rid of the redness and treat the affected skin areas. 4. Eliminates bad breath. Gargle some baking soda-infused water to rid yourself of the mouth bacteria that makes your breath smell bad. 5. Wipes out stretch marks. Simply apply it on the stretch marks and massage the area. 6. Treats hard skin. Rub it over the bits of skin you feel are a bit rough to smoothen the texture. 7. A natural deodorant. Combine water with baking soda on your armpits to get rid of the nasty smell. 8. Increases the volume of your hair. Add some baking soda to your shampoo of choice and simply wash the hair as you usually do to enhance hair volume and quality. 9. An organic facial scrub. Prepare a paste by mixing water and baking soda and use to as a facial scrub to exfoliate your skin and get rid of skin abnormalities such as pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. 10. Relieves insect stings and bites. Soothe the swollen and irritated areas of stings and bites by rubbing them with some water and baking soda. 11. Treats tooth abscesses. Mix baking soda and water and brush your teeth with the mixture to cure the tooth abscess and soothe the pain. 12. Softens legumes. Boil the legumes with some baking soda to easily soften them. 13. Remove stains. Remove the most impossible of clothes stains with a paste of baking soda and water. Rub them and rinse it off. 14. Polishes your jewelry. Scrub your jewelry with a water and baking soda mixture and make it look as good as new. 15. Eliminates fridge odor. Leave an open bag of baking soda in the fridge in order to neutralize all nasty smells inside.